Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So we have successfully installed the router in our project and all those things we have did it, right? Now let's try to add some CSS framework in our project so that we can have the responsive and all those things. Let's try to check it. So for this one CSS framework, what I will be using is the Bulma. So this one is the first time we are using in our channel. So let's try to use this Bulma. So we don't have it. There is no need to have the CSS knowledge or anything. So directly we can use it. So it's very easy. So like Bootstrap, Tailwind. So this is also one of the CSS framework. Let's try to use this one in this project. And now if you try to see the download thing, so if you want to download it, so how you need to download it? So directly you can download it with the zip, or otherwise what you can do is let's go to the dock and you can do whatever the thing, however you want to install it, you can install it. And here we are installing through the like this npm install Bulma. Okay, let's go here and I am stopping the server and I am installing the Bulma. So let it install. So it will take some time to install. Now here this one is an responsive thing and all those things whichever is required for us. So models and all those things are available in this one. So navbar, menu and everything is available in this one. But it is another framework. So that's it. We'll use this one. We'll try to check this one also how it will look like. So other than all the time we are using Bootstrap and all those things, right? So we will use this Bulma thing. So how it will be work. So we'll check all those things. Now it's taking some time to install. Let it install. Yeah, it has been installed. I'm rerunning the server again. Now if you go to our app, so here you'll be able to see. And now in this project, I will close this one. So now in this project, if you go to the node modules, in this node modules, you'll be able to see the Bulma. It has been installed. Bulma in the CSS, you'll be able to see the min.css. Here we need to add this one. So there are a couple of ways where you can add it. Directly you can add it in the index.html. So like that you can do it. And here what I will try to do is in the app.vue. Here we are having app.vue, right? So I will be using the style. And in this one I will import. So wherever you want to import, you can import it. So just I will be importing. And here Bulma /css /bulma.min.css. So this is the thing, right? So we are importing and let's see whether we are able to get it or not. The output. Now it has been installed. Now let's see. I think there is some change in this one. I think let's see whether we will apply this class is equal to button. So this should convert it into a button. Let's see. Let's see. It will apply. Yeah, it has Bulma has been applied successfully. We are able to see this button, right? Fine. So now we have successfully installed this button. So like this we can do or any process which we however you want to do, you can do it. I'm importing here like this. Now the second thing what we need to do is we need to create a navbar. Okay. So we need to create a navbar. Navbar means it will be somewhat like this. Let's go into the components and here in this navbar you'll be able to see. So here we are having navbar, right? We'll copy this navbar and we'll try to paste it. So this is the navbar we are able to get it. Okay. So for this one what we need to do is let's go into that. Let's close this node modules and here in these components I will delete these all the items which are available in these components. Okay. So we don't need these all the components. So let's delete these all things. And if I delete these all things, yeah, only the components is remaining. Now in this component, I will create a folder layout. Okay. In this layout, I will create a navbar.vue. So this is our component. Now we will be having this template. And in this template, let's copy this all the navbar. And I am pasting this all the navbar. And now we have pasted this navbar. We need to use it in the app.vue. And here this router lot link and all those things are there, right? So this one, there is no need for this one. And I will directly add at the top. Okay, navbar. This is the navbar. For this navbar, what we need to do, we need to import this one. So import the component. Import navbar from dot slash. So where it could be in the components slash layout slash navbar.vue. That's it. So now we have added this one. Let's see whether we are able to get it. So now we are able to get this Bulma thing. Yeah, right. So we are able to get, what is this one? Report an issue, sign up, login, home documentation. I don't know why this one is coming like that. Home documentation. Yeah, everything is fine. Fail to resolve. This is a native. Okay, navbar. And we are including this navbar. Okay. And here let's refresh this page. You'll be able to see, or otherwise in this one. Let's stop this one and we'll do it again. So why is this one is coming like this? So So we are able to see this one, all right. Oh, okay, this one is in the scope thing. It should not be in the scope thing. Yeah, fine. So now we should be able to see the Bulma. Yeah, now we are able to see the Bulma. So this is our navigation. Okay, we have seen our nav bar and the notes page and all those things are coming. So let's go to the nav bar. Let's design the nav bar thing. So the Bulma is there. Let's go to the nav bar. And here this is our nav bar, right? So now what we need to do, nav bar, first one Bulma is there, right? So we can remove this one all image thing and I will write the notes list. Okay, this is our notes list and I will make it little bit larger. So you have a methods like is-size-4 and also is-font is-family hyphen monospace. I didn't remember exactly. Yeah, so this is the thing, it will be happening. Now if you want to go know more about this all the things, you can go to the elements and all those things. You'll be able to see the font and all those things. You'll be able to layout somewhere it will be, so you can check all those things. So or otherwise you can search it here. Okay, font, try to see the font and here you will be able to get it. So here you will be able to get it, these all things. Fine. So that is one thing. Content. Okay, so here you'll be able to see size and all those things. Nice. So now let's go into this one in the view by here. And what we need to do, so I don't want these all things, home documentation more and all those things. So let's go here. So this is the nav start. From nav start to here, I will remove this everything. Okay, I have removed this one. Yeah, now I don't want this sign up and login. So I will remove this one navbar hyphen item from what I can say. Or otherwise, what we'll do is in the navbar hyphen stat is there, right? We'll copy this navbar item like this and we'll remove this entire thing up to here. Okay, and here also navbar hyphen item from here to here I will remove and I will add this home and documentation. So home and documentation are coming this side, right? So now for this home and documentation I will convert it into notes. Oh, sorry. Oh, notes, and the last one is the stats. So these are the stats. Now these are the navbar, and now the what I can say, the navbar is different, right? So what I can do is I will apply is-success. So there are different types of colors. So if you want to go to the Bulma and if you check the navbar and the colors thing, you'll be able to get it. So components, and here this is the navbar. Somewhere you'll be able to see the colors and all those things also. This is, yeah, here you'll be able to see the colors thing. Here the colors, yeah. So these are is primary. So these are the different types of colors we are able to see. So whichever color you want to do, you want to apply, you can apply. So is primary, is link, is info, these are all the things. Is danger. If you want to apply, you can apply the is danger. Then if you see the output of this one, see it is in the red color. We will maintain this one only. So nodes list and all those things we are able to see. Now if you try to see here, this is the activeness we are having, right? So this is activeness and all those things. So now wherever this one is there, so for example, I am right now I am in the nodes. This should be highlighted. If I am in the stats should be highlighted, right? So this stats thing and all those things, where it will come if you apply is active class, then you will be able to get it. So here nodes is highlighted. So now how we can make this one class depending on the page which we have selected. So those things we'll try to do it in the next video. So now we have installed successfully the navbar thing. Now what we need to do is we need to make this nodes and stats work, and also the navigation and all those things also, and the router link and all those things, and the active class. So whatever the page is selected, that link should be in the active class and all those things. We'll try to do it in the next video. Hope you understood about this installation of the Bulma and also the adding of the navbar. If you have it, and I will commit this code in this video -75, and I am committing navbar Bulma design. Okay, so I am committing this all the code in this one. So let's commit, and I will commit. Yeah, I have committed. Oh, sorry, publish this branch. Now whoever is having the doubt, they can come here and the github.com/vue noteslist-vue. So this is the URL. So here this is the branch. I will provide this one in the description below. Whoever is having the doubt regarding the project when they are trying to follow me, so they can, if they are having any doubts in the code and all those things, you can refer to this GitHub branch. Okay, so hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.